Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a system restore point so you can undo changes quickly. Next, download Explorer Patcher. This replaces Windows 10 shell behavior with Windows 11 style. Once done, also get a compatible Win 11 visual style package and optional icon pack. Make sure you save work and close background apps to avoid conflicts. Run the Explorer Patcher installer as administrator and allow it to modify shell components. This applies the new taskbar and start menu behavior immediately. Once Explorer Patcher is active, install the visual style. Patch UX theme if needed, then copy the Win 11 theme folder to Windows Themes and apply it in personalization. Open Explorer Patcher settings to center the taskbar, enable small click targets, and turn on rounded corners. Replace default icons and system font if the theme includes them, and then restart File Explorer or Sign Out for full effects. These steps make Windows 10 behave and look like Windows 11 while keeping system stability. Finish by restarting your PC so all shell and theme changes persist across sessions. If something looks off, misaligned icons, missing Start menu, open Control Panel or Settings and uninstall Explorer Patcher, or use the system restore point you made earlier. This quickly returns you to stock Windows 10. Make sure to keep backups of the theme and icon packs you installed and check for updates from the tool author, because OS updates can require reapplying or updating these modifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.